Yeah, so it's been almost 1 year of Shakti, and it is one of the most loved shows on television. So, uh, what are the kind of messages you get from your fans, and if there is something you want to tell them today, what would it be?
Very frankly speaking, I would be one of the rarest person today who's not on social media. So I am not on Facebook, nor am I on Twitter, nor on any such social media. But yeah, I have my own set of friends, own set of fans on my WhatsApp group, and they keep telling me that at times that they have their own views regarding the character. That how could you be able to do something like this? How could you push Soumya down? How could you be so rude? Frankly, I like that because that is my character, and when somebody hates me, I love it the most because that is what I am being paid for. So that and Vasan, and I would just like to tell them that keep commenting on goods. Everybody say yeah, but keep commenting on what you don't like or what you think should have been there instead of this. So we know what we are supposed to do and we know where to head to and how to go about it. Probably we are faltering somewhere, we can correct it in our own way. If you all give us your comments and your things which really motivates us, and thank you for doing that.
So, what is the most challenging thing about playing a negative role? Because playing goody two shoes is always easier than making people hate you. So, what is that one challenging aspect?
Negative is such a thing that like when you go out, when you step out, you're not in your character. You're a normal person. But when people just stare at you and they say, यही है वो जिसने सौम्या को धक्का मारा था, तो you feel like they actually hate you. There are times when people get carried away and they actually hate you for what you do. You times don't like, अरे यार मैं ऐसे नहीं हूँ, but yeah, at times you feel that ठीक है, that's my character, and I really appreciate that I am being looked up to like that. But frankly, I love playing negative, so it's not that I don't want to do a negative role or I don't want to be looked upon like that, because there is a lot of things you can play with. When negative is concerned, you can play with your character. Positive also has got its own goods, but that's too sweet, and I can't be too sweet. I want to be a little negative and I want to be bad.
Also, since the show has turned almost a year, more than a year old actually now, and everyone is associated with their character names. So, do you often get called by your character name when you're out, shopping, eating?
See, of course I do. Like when I go out, this is a Punjabi character, of course, but I look a bit like Muslim also. At times I do look, because Punjabi and Muslim are very correlated. So people feel that I would be the one in real life also. So in fact I'm not a Punjabi, neither am I Muslim. So they still say Shri Akal. अरे शन्नो, अरे देखो शन्नो जा रही है, अरे शन्नो ने वो वाला परफ्यूम खरीदा, ये परफ्यूम अच्छा होगा. So you feel good कि अरे वो वाला परफ्यूम खरीदा तो that means ये अच्छा होगा. Or they say शन्नो जी ईद मुबारक, like now it's going to be Eid. So they feel that I'm a Muslim, so they associate with me like that. So I feel good. I have never told anybody that I'm a Gujarati.
Okay. Okay, if there are two sentences you want to tell your fans, just say them.
I just want to say that keep watching me and keep hating me. I would love it.